Another important agent billing item to set up is the recurring charges for your agents. To automate the recurring monthly charges put on the agent's expense sheet, head over to menu option 8, or Agent Management, and then menu option 4, Agent Expense Menu, and finally, menu option 3, Recurring Expenses. (8431) here shows you a list of your agents. Here, you are able to add or edit individual agents' recurring charges. Recurring expenses will save you time with those charges that do not change from month to month. The file can sit and be posted when it applies. If you're a multi-office client, you can filter the list by office by selecting an office in the upper right corner. When you edit an agent, click Add Entry and select a code. If the code has a unit price assigned to it, it will populate automatically. Or you can simply enter a value. You can then select the expense sheet that you would like to have the entry added to. You can also choose a batch number that allows you to run different batches at different dates. It's not necessary to put a vendor or a supplier number or invoice number into this screen. Now you'll notice that there is also a start date and end date available. Now this is a great way to determine when this charge should start or end. For example, let's say you just recruited a new top agent, and part of their agreement is that they don't start paying their desk fee until the 3rd month. Well, by entering the start date here, the program will remember to start that expense on that specific date. Now hit Apply and then hit Store to be taken back to the list of your agents. The information you enter here also shows up on the agent profile in I-11 under the Expense tab. You can always edit this information in 8431 or I-11. To add a new charge to all agents, head over to 8434. Here you can select the code and enter the rest of the information. And choose all of the agents you'd like to assign this chargeable item to. All agents don't have to be charged the same dollar amount. Use the Edit the List as it is created option, and you can edit the quantity, unit price, and enter a comment for each agent selected. Of course, by going to 8435, you can also delete a code from your agents. When you enter a code, it will bring up all of the agents that have the code as one of their recurring expenses. You can then delete it from all of the agents on the list, or just select certain agents. And when a new agent starts, you can also use 8433 to copy the expenses from an existing agent to the new agent. Select the agent with the existing charges. Then assign the charges to the new agent. This means you don't have to add one entry at a time to the new agent. Click the double arrow to assign all charges, or select individual charges on the left by holding down your Control key and clicking the single arrow. And now click through to view part 4 of this tutorial series.